Okay, so now we're going to be going on to look further at this art journal that I did. It's a phone case journal, and I want to share with you some of the pages, and if you're lucky I'll even show you a process page but we'll probably have a flip through of this page. So come on, let's go. Here we go. Here we have my phone journal. I shared some pictures of it on Instagram. So this is a phone case and I've created a journal from it. So we're going to do a flip through of it. About this journal was there's so many small elements that you then get to use in a smaller journal, and you know, like the tags and things like that. and the little elements that I've put on, some of the wording and things like that. So I really liked creating this journal, and it's complete now. I think there may be one page I could, maybe think of doing something, but it does have, this says explore, imagine, dream on it. It's a stamp. So we'll see. But yeah, that was a really nice little journal, reusing a phone case, and you see the little music element on the front.